Bill and William were cousins, and each set out to bake the four-generation-old fruitcake for the upcoming family reunion. Both were given the same ingredients. However, Bill called his mother for the recipe instructions. William, on the other hand, in his zeal, threw all the ingredients in a large mixing bowl, and in no time it was in the oven. But Bill was very careful with the sequencing of first mixing in butter with sugar, then gradually adding eggs, milk, fruits, and spices, and then gently folding in the flour, just as Mother instructed. The cakes were now ready and presented at the family reunion. Bill's cake would have made his great-grandmother proud, while William's cake was so hardly recognizable to the touch and taste that even the poor family dog deigned to eat. What is the object lesson here? Ingredients are never enough. To yield the intended result, one must adhere to both ingredients and the recipe. Scripture and tradition, faith and works, theory and practice. The ingredients for this discussion are found in the Holy Bible, but the recipe instructions are expounded in the lives and writings of the Church Fathers and liturgical rites of the Orthodox Church. So, Bill and William may bear the same name, but what about their attitudes? Even so, though many may bear the same name of Christian, not all are careful to preserve the historical presentation of what Christianity actually is.